give me love tonight. I just wanna go down with you. I just wanna make love tonight. Baby, make her lose all my mind. Pretty girl, dance for me. Pretty girl, move for me, yeah, yeah. Don't you wanna have fun with me? I just wanna spend money on you, yeah. Spend a couple checks on you. Girl, I put a ring on you. Baby, let me ride with you. Anything I do for you, yeah. Okay, I sing this melody. You make me sing these melodies, yeah. I know you like these melodies. I like the way you kill me, yeah. The way you move your waistline, I make you choke on the mind, yeah. Oh baby, come make with me. Oh baby, come make with me, yeah. Girl, I wanna say hello, yeah. I don't wanna make you feel low. You know me, I don't waste time, yeah. I just wanna get to know you more. Girl, I wanna say hello, yeah. I don't wanna make you feel low. You know me, I wanna say hello, yeah. I don't wanna make you feel low. You know me, I don't waste time, yeah. I just wanna get to know you more. Give me love tonight.
All right. Good afternoon, beautiful people. I hope you're good. I hope you're doing fine. I can see Zenandi on the comment saying hello. How are you, Queen? I hope you're good. Thank you so much for tuning in. For those who are always tuning in all the time, they know we do this every Monday, every Wednesday, and every Friday. But yesterday my guest wasn't feeling so well, so we had to sort of like postpone to today. And yeah, I'm glad she's finally better and out here doing the most. I'm going to add her shortly. For those tuning in for the first time, this is the sit down interview with Ice Easy, where I get to sit down and talk to amazing people, or talk to amazing creatives, amazing personalities. And like I said, we do this every Monday, Wednesday, and every Friday only on my IG Live. And the sit down interview is brought to you by myself and Nice Entertainment. And all the episodes are available on my IGTV as well as Nice Entertainment, this YouTube channel. So yeah, you know, like we always say all the time, it's like a brand new day, and every time I'm always bringing in a brand new guest. And today I'm bringing another amazing guest, you might know her from somewhere. If you watch Imbeu, you might know her from Imbeu. She's amazing, you know. She's out here on social media doing the most. And yeah, finally she's out here.
Yeah.
And hey, at least finally, how are you?
Finally. Your is nice though, hey?
Hey, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Hey.
Thank you so much, Queen. How are you feeling today?
I'm much better than yesterday. And how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm fine. I'm just happy to be talking to you right now. You know, really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm really sorry for bailing out on you yesterday. I wasn't
No
feeling well. So.
problem. Yeah, you know, that's how I was like, let me make an exception for you, you know, because normally we do this like every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday only. But I was like, you know, let me do an exception for it today, you know.
Okay, thank you so much, Gabon.
Appreciate it. All right. For those who do not know who you are, I would like us to start with the biggest question, which is who is Olwethu Magopheni, and what do you do, and where are you from? Yes,
ma'am. First of all, Olwethu Magopheni is a queen, and
that's fact.
Yes, I was born and raised in the Eastern Cape, but I currently reside in Joburg. I moved to Joburg, I think, 10 years ago. So I've been here, and what I do is I'm an actress. I'm a presenter, I'm a model, and I've recently joined the influencer marketing team, so I'm an influencer as well. So yeah, and I'm a child of God mostly. So,
shout out, Umkhos.
ewe, ndimXhosa, yes.
I'm a big fan, you know. Ekugcineni ngizothi ngishayele sona isiXhosa, yabo.
Oh, akho ngxaki, akho ngxaki, akho ngxaki.
All right, all right. All right. Among everything you do, which one is your favorite? The one you said, this is my number one. No matter what, I'll never stop doing this one.
Okay. I sing as well.
Yeah,
But everything, okay, if I had to choose, ooh, this is so
yes, man.
hard. I choose acting. I choose
Yeah.
acting. I choose acting because acting and being on stage sets my heart on fire. So I choose acting.
All right, let's start with acting then. When did your acting journey begin?
It started in 2017.
Yeah,
But growing up, I never thought, or let's just say I never knew that I could act because I wasn't exposed to the opportunities where I could try out maybe a monologue or being
yeah.
in a play. What I did most in primary school was sports, everything that was at school I did, choir, everything, but they never had
Well,
acting. So yeah, so I was never exposed to acting, right?
yeah,
Until I think in 2015, 2016, where at church we had a play for our youth concerts, and then I took part in that because I like doing everything. I like doing everything.
yeah, yeah.
If I do it, I'm gonna know it on the way. I'll learn on the way. So I like doing
Same
everything.
here,
So
same here.
I'm excited. It's man and you act and see what is gonna come out. Okay,
Yeah,
sharp. They gave me the script. I read the script, and then I'm like, you know what, the script. I can see the script, but I feel like let me add, a few things. I added a few things of my own, and
yeah,
I brought it to life. And then after the performance, I was like, you know what, actually, man. I can act. I can act.
definitely.
I then decided, okay, I went to look for an agency, but I was still working at a retail store. So I went to look for an
Yeah,
agency. I got one. We did training and stuff like that. And then 2 months into it, I got a cameo role on Isidingo. I then decided, you know
oh,
what?
it's
I'm,
amazing.
I'm quitting this retail. Sorry, I almost said ministry. I'm thinking we're in
Yeah,
church now.
yeah,
I quit the retail industry and went into pursuing my acting dreams full time. So I started in 2017 and I've been pushing ever since then.
And what have been your career highlights so far?
My
Career highlights. The moments where you feel like this is what I've been waiting.
Okay, my career highlight has been the cameo role I did on The Queen,
Yeah,
whereby I played Smash and Grab, um, whereby I had to be Shaka's side chick. That has
yeah,
been my highlight because that's when most people recognize that, oh, there's an Olwethu out there, so that
yeah.
one will forever forever be, I don't know, maybe in the future something will top it off, but for now my highlight has been the cameo role I did on The Queen.
Hey, you've been doing the most, you know. Stingo, the
Thank
Queen, Mbeo.
Yeah,
Hey, you're really out here
I,
doing the most, you know.
I'm pushing.
Yeah, then in terms of agencies, would you say you can make it without an agent in your own perspective from what you have seen so far?
It's a hard one because I know of people that have made it without an agency, and then I know of
Yeah,
people that are still trying to make it, people like myself, with agencies. So I guess it depends on how blessed you are, but you need an agent because agents know um, everything that happens in the industry. They know when the next audition is, who
yeah,
needs what. So you really need an agent. You really need an agent because I'd say I've come to learn that you need to do both. You need to have an agent, but also you need to put yourself out there, not to
Exactly.
leave your
Exactly.
to also work for you. You also need to go gqugquzele, man, and put yourself out there. If there's events, go and attend, go and network with people, make connections, and you just never know. But an agent is a must. It's a must
Yeah,
to
that's
have.
right. That's right. Then,
Yes.
I know a lot of people struggle when it comes to auditions. What are your audition techniques and any tips, for any other aspiring actors out there?
Hmm. Auditions are hard. Auditions are hard,
Yeah,
especially
yeah,
when you're still starting up, in the industry like us. You get to an audition, right?
yeah,
Get there, you meet, you see legends. By legends, I mean very talented actresses and actors that have been in the industry
facts,
for
facts.
quite some time. For instance, let's say you meet the Vatiswa, because I once went to an audition in Vatiswa and I was there, and you
Yeah.
can just imagine how I felt. You can just
Hey,
imagine how I felt, because like, yeah, yeah. So
yeah,
first things first. Before an audition, I feel like you need to get a good amount of sleep the night
all
before your
right.
audition. Yes, you need to rest. You need to rest. Secondly, you need to read the script that was sent. You need to read and understand the script. You need to understand the person that you're portraying. You need to understand the character, as well as you need to understand the brief. It's very
Yeah,
much
yeah,
important,
that's true. That's true.
because sometimes they might say they are looking for someone that is an influencer. She's a high top class model. She's a celebrity, and I pitch looking like this.
Yeah,
Meaning I do not. So before I even audition, they already
yeah,
know that I'm not what they're looking for, because how will they work with someone that doesn't understand the brief? I mean, how can they
yeah,
trust me, an entire character, if I do not understand a brief? So you need to understand the brief. And fourthly, you need to pray.
yeah, that's facts. I mean to that.
I, I can't emphasize this enough. Prayer is very much important. It's
Yeah,
important. I don't do anything without praying. You need to pray, and
that's
you
true.
need
That's
to
true.
you need to do vocal exercises as well. You know,
Yeah,
um, yeah, you need to do vocal exercises as well. They have them on the internet, but I've mostly been using what I've learned at school at the Maki Theatre, where I did my acting, where I learned about acting. So you need to do the vocal exercises, and then most importantly, you need to come and deliver. You need to come
yeah,
and
that's
deliver.
facts. That's facts.
Confidence is key.
Yeah,
Confidence is key. Confidence is key. You need to get there, even though you see Olwethu and be like, you know what? She's here, and I'm also here. I'm also here to do
yeah,
what is ahead of me. And at the end of the day, and this is my future that is at stake. Because
yeah.
it's not a competition. Everyone is a good actress in their own lane. So I
That's
am
true.
always
That's true.
is she is she and I am me.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Browsing on the comments, I can see Kanye is saying Sanbonani. How are you,
Huh?
fam? How are you, fam? Thanks for tuning in. Hey, there are too many notifications in my head. It's like hi Olwethu.
Oh, ndiyambona. Okay, now.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah. Okay.
yeah. I think that's it. Now moving on to the influencer side of things.
Yeah.
When did that journey begin?
It started when lockdown started, actually,
Yeah,
in March.
yeah,
In March, I was going through, because I like Twitter. I like Twitter a lot. I spend like half of my day on Twitter. I believe I spend too much time on Twitter than I do with the
same here.
others. So yeah, browsing through Twitter. Hi Tia. This other night, midnight, Gabo. I think it was 1, because I sleep very late. So I was browsing,
Yeah.
I came across this tweet from, I forgot his name, but he's an influencer as well, So he was
Alright.
explaining the business, how you get into it, what you need to do, and I've been looking to get into this influencer business, and people have been saying, even my dad has been pushing me that you need to use that Instagram to make money. Hey, you're
That's
wasting data.
fact.
Yeah, like, take data like boy, because I mean you're just posting, but you're not getting paid for it. I'm like, I don't know how to do it. So I came across this tweets.
Yeah,
I read, yeah, from this guy. I went to sign up on the Humans app.
yeah,
I went to I went to sign up, and I've been, yeah. So it started in March, so that's March, April, May. So it started 3 months ago, and
yeah.
I've 2 campaigns so far. Today, I'm busy with another one, so I'm busy
Hey,
like
it's amazing.
thank you. I'm busy creating content for that one. So yeah,
Yeah.
we started months ago, and we're still learning, but yeah, we're
Best
here.
believe, that's an amazing space, I tell you. I've been doing this for like I would say a year. And
That's
sure, the bag that came from that side, I won't lie, has been the biggest bag in my whole life.
what you mean. You're
Yo,
gonna be
especially on humans. Humans been black boy on lie. Yo, humans. Yo.
now you now you must beg DKs now. Sign you up.
Yeah, ish, Dickies
Sign
is
you up.
sleeping on me. Dickies is
They
really
sleep
sleeping on me.
pills. They must wake up. They must wake up.
Yo, Dickies is really sleeping on me. But yeah, we keep trying, we stay, shining out there. And in terms of platforms like you've already mentioned, humans, are there any other platforms you sort of like jumped on?
I've jumped on Rubybox,
Yeah.
ruby.com. I've
How does
signed.
that one work? I've seen a lot of people talking about it, checking it and all that.
Okay. So with Rubybox,
Yeah,
you sign up your profile, you put your profile, and then you basically get products to test out. Let's say, for
yeah,
instance, you um Tresemme shampoo and the conditioner they give you to test it out, and you give your
yeah,
honest, yeah, you give your honest review on it. So it's also for influencing, but they give you the products for free, and then
yeah,
in return you have to review and post pictures, videos, show us how you use the Tresemme shampoo to wash your hair or your weave. So that's basically how it works, with brand advisor, Ruby
yeah,
Box, beauty
yeah,
bullet. Well,
yeah. I'm,
those
I'm
three,
there. I'm there. I'm playing advisor.
get free products to try out, and you give your review on them. So, but you don't get paid for it. You just,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah, review the products, and I feel like it's good. It's good for it's a learning curve. So I
yeah,
don't getting paid, yeah, for, but haven't gotten any gig from Ruby Box.
yeah. I actually got one from Status, the from brand advisor, the Status campaign. Yeah, they sent me like
Nah,
a lot of these packages, and I had to share some with my friends because it was like 4 roll-ons, 4 sprays. I wasn't gonna use that on myself, so I had to sort of like give everything else to my friends, just pick one for myself. And
mm,
another platform I want you to also sign up and check out is called byc.cash. Have you heard
DYC.
about
Oh,
it?
that one as well. I have that one as well.
Yes.
I
Yeah,
use
yeah. Then there's what there's in the hash. But
Yeah,
I have
I have.
5K followers though.
Yeah, they haven't approved me yet because I'm still on 4,400
Yeah,
followers.
yeah,
So
yeah.
follow me, followers. Please follow me. So yeah,
Yeah,
I'm 100 followers away from making it.
yeah. I can see Doki on the comments saying I'm late, but I'm here. Thank
What?
you, thank you. Kanye so is saying I love Olwethu. She'll be great. She'll be a great actress soon.
Thank you.
Who else? Who else? Bongiwe is sending us a sharp. Thank you so much for tuning in, fam. Thank you so much. To everyone who just tuned in right now, this is the sit down interview with Ice Easy, where I get to sit down and talk to amazing creatives and sort of like get to break bread with them, you know, and find out what they do. And my guest today is Olwethu Magopheni. She's an actress, influencer, model, business owner, and more. And that's what we're talking about basically. So please stay out here, listen to everything. And if you came in late, I'm gonna share this episode to my IGTV as well as Nice Entertainment, this YouTube channel. So laugh, do not worry about that. Do not worry about that.
That's okay.
In terms of content creation, what's your process when you sort of like start creating content for your page? Because I can see your content is really beautiful. You know, sometimes it's structured and all that. So I would like to find out, how do you sort of like go about it?
Okay, so far, I'm
Yeah,
not gonna lie. Like I said, I only started this influencer thing 3 months ago. So I'm still learning.
yeah,
But naturally, I'm a person that loves taking pictures. I'm a person
yeah.
that loves. I didn't know that was content creation. I don't want to lie to you. I
It
love
is.
taking. I love taking pictures. I love taking pictures. Uh, my boyfriend, if he was here, he'd tell you I take like 150 pictures a day.
Huh?
Yeah, I need, with content creation, you need
Yeah,
the angle to be there's a way of taking a picture. The lighting needs to be great.
exactly.
The lighting
Exactly.
needs to be, the background as well needs to
Yo,
be
it's a
great.
lot.
And the angle matters the most, because sometimes you might capture something from this angle and it doesn't look good. But when you capture it from this angle, then it looks amazing. Like it's not the same thing. So
Yeah,
I take like 50 pictures, then I pick the best one, But what I've come
exactly.
to learn that, yes. So what I've come to learn is that with content creation, you need passion for it. You need passion for it. You need to be passionate about it, because it is not easy. It's not easy. So it
Facts.
calls
It's
for
facts.
passion, creativity and time as well. You need time to make content. So far that's that's what I've learned.
Yeah.
Scanny, so is post all your pictures already. I can't
Hey,
post
can you say he's blacking us out here? Thank you so much. Remember my picture. Where are the pictures?
But I got 150 pictures a day, then tomorrow another 150, then the other
Yeah,
day.
yeah.
And like I said, I pick out the best out of the 150, then the rest they remain in my boyfriend's phone. I just
All
pick
right.
the best, which have the best lighting, and the angle, the background, and picture quality as well is very much important.
Yeah, that's
Picture
true.
quality, yeah. So I'm also getting I'm learning about picture editing apps, because that one is
Yeah.
very much important in terms of uh, content creation. And currently I'm learning how to use Lightroom. And
All right.
yeah, so far, yeah,
It's good.
so far,
All right.
so far.
I can see Yan down the comments saying, I'm loving what I'm hearing. Yeah, this is what happens when you bring such a bold, powerful woman. I was eager to get it out there. You know, she's amazing. She's doing the most, and yeah, that's why we bring all these amazing people out here to sit down interview, so that we can, get to know them better and get all the information. Get all the information. Now moving on to the business side of things. I know you own a business. Yeah, what do you do exactly? What's your business about, and what's the name of the business?
Okay, the name of my business is Tumasande Boutique. It's a
Yep.
it's a whereby I sell clothing.
Yeah.
Started it last year, October. So
All right.
few months into it, and Currently, it's, if you know what I mean, because of lockdown,
Yeah, because yeah, the lockdown is really taking us down, yo.
but it's a boutique whereby I cater to teenagers,
All
young
right.
adults, and the working class women. But also recently, I've ventured into catering for men as well. Because men
All
also
right.
need to they need to look good. So the ad of my business account is kumasande_boutique. That's where
Okay.
yeah, that's where the rest of information is at. So yeah,
Right.
basically it's
All
a
right.
boutique. I sell clothing to teenagers, young adults, the working class, and men as well. And hopefully, hopefully this
Yeah.
nightmare, yeah, Corona is gonna pass, and because
Yeah, soon it needs to pass through. So
yeah, because I want to start catering to the little ones as well.
all right.
Babies. So yeah, but
So
then.
all
Mhm.
right, continue.
Yeah, so since I started my business,
Yeah.
one thing that has been teaching me is patience.
Yeah.
It's teaching
Business really
me
needs patience.
that starting a business from scratch is not easy, and sometimes some months it's great and some months it's not great. And I just need to. It's teaching me that patience is a virtue. Because it's not gonna
Yeah,
happen
that's true.
overnight. It's not going to happen overnight. I'm not going to
Yeah.
be this overnight. So I need to be patient. But while being patient, continue putting in the work. So that's what is currently teaching me patience.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
would you say have you managed to sort of like, I know with acting, for myself, through acting, I've sort of like got this, attention, fan base and all that. And I've
Yeah.
taken that and that moved it to my business side, to the music and all that. So have you managed to sort of like, with the attention you're getting from acting, drive it to the other things you do?
Yeah. We could say like 50% I've
Yeah,
managed 50%. But since I've joined the influencer industry, I've come to realize that I can also use that to mix the influencing with my
yeah,
business. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah,
Because I do wear stuff from my boutique. Because I'm the
yeah.
brand. Yeah, I'm the brand. So I've been using the influencer power, for lack of a better word, to draw people to my business side of things.
All right. I can see Kanye is on the comment saying Olwethu storyline seems to be interesting. I would love to learn more. I can see the Ilson saying Olwethu is so amazing. Uh,
Thank
great, great interview. I'm loving every minute. Thank you so much for tuning in. Kanye so is approving what the Ilson is saying, that you are amazing, and yeah, I approve too.
you.
That's facts. That's true. That's really
Thank,
true.
thank you guys.
Um, I think I saw it on your bio that you were a psychology student. Is that correct?
Mhm. Yeah, it
Yeah. So,
is.
were you studying it right now?
Okay, so I'm currently studying. I'm currently doing my BA in psychology. Um, I'm studying applied psychology. Um,
Yeah.
month I'll be closing off my first year.
Yeah.
So yeah, it hasn't been easy because I'm doing distance learning. I'm not a full-time student because
Alright.
yeah, I'm not a full-time student because the I've got a lot of things going on. There's the business
That's true.
and
That's true.
acting. I was still studying acting, so I couldn't afford to, and finances as well. So I afford
Yeah.
to go full time full-time studying, so I'm doing distance learning.
Right.
And unlike with acting, when I said I didn't know I could act growing up, but growing up with psychology, I knew that I want to be a psychologist. I knew
All
that
right.
I am called to help people. So psychology is a passion. Well, after acting, yeah, it's
Yeah.
acting psychology. So I'm currently studying, yeah, applied psychology.
All right.
Yeah.
I can see Ntogi on the comments saying, can we please have the name of the boutique on Instagram so we can check it out?
Okay, the Instagram, the boutique Instagram page is kumasande_boutique.
Yeah, and it's
Kuma.
actually on your bio, right?
Oh yes, oh yes. Thank you.
Yeah, so
It's there.
Ntogi, you might want to check her bio. It's there, you know, we can just click on it and check it out and show love, show
Yeah.
support. You know,
Don't-
let's support her. You were still
And just
talking about the psychology
yes,
thing?
yeah.
Yeah,
Speaking of psychology, like I told you in the beginning of the interview that I'm currently working on a campaign, like as we
yeah,
speak.
yeah.
So it's it's related to online learning and the fact that I'm a distance learning student. So I'm working with Phoenix, right?
Yeah.
Um, yeah, Phoenix has started this great initiative whereby they are raising awareness about the challenges that students are facing with this online learning, and which has been brought by the new normal. Because I know most people that I know, most of my friends are
Yeah.
full-time students and my cousins, so they are used to going to school, having a lecture, stand in front of them and deliver the lesson of the day. So now they've had to adjust to the challenges of online learning. So Phoenix is raising awareness on the challenges that students face in order to the challenges that they're facing to adjust to the online learning, and they are raising funds to help students with laptops, data,
Oh, it's
and
amazing. It's amazing.
yeah, and food vouchers. So I'm very much grateful to be part of that initiative, especially as a distance learning student, because I always need data.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah,
a, lap-
yeah.
a laptop is a need, and a good phone is a need because most of my learning is based online. So I'm not really much affected by the lockdown because I'm used to online learning, but I'm working with things to help ease the burden of students that are not used to online learning, and it feels good. It feels good to be part of such a great initiative while also spreading and shedding the light on the challenges that students face with online learning, which I also had to adjust to when I started studying for
Yeah,
psychology.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah, because
that's true.
I went.
So in terms of the campaign, are they going to sort of like give out all those vouchers and all that? Or you as the influencers are doing that?
Oh no, we are just helping to raise the awareness and get as many people as possible to donate, so that the company will be the one that dispatches the laptops and the food vouchers
Um,
and data to students. Yes, and we will be updating people on the progress, and updating them so that they can see that the money they donated went into providing and helping students. So yeah,
uh,
we'll be statistics and proof as well that indeed the money was used for what it was asked for. So
yeah, that's great. Transparency, I'm a fan of that. So that's
thank,
amazing, you know. So I'll
thank
be
you,
out
thank
here, definitely I'll be out here sharing everything to my IG stories for anybody out there who needs such help.
thank you so
Um,
much.
I can see Askanyi again on the comments asking, did you study acting already?
Oh yes, I did. Oh yes, I did. Oh yes, I did. I studied acting at the Mackey Theatre Laboratory in Newtown. As,
Yeah,
but I went to formal studying. I did when I joined my agency. They offered us an acting workshop for 3 months. So I
All right.
started my year, and then after I was done with the 3 months workshop, I then enrolled for acting classes at the Market Theatre. So yes, I did study for acting.
All right. I can see Jogi on the comments saying, "Got it, thanks," and she's taking the photo.
Thank you.
Tabani is waving. Yeah, I think that's it from the comment side. I think that's it from the comment side. And you said besides the acting, influencing, being a model, psychology, and business, what else you doing?
Well, thing, but at church. So
Yeah,
yeah, I haven't.
Christian.
It's not a career. So, but I sing. I sing at church.
Are you a
So
Christian?
yes, I am.
Oh, shout out to that. Shout
I'm a
out to that. Shout
Christian. Yeah, I'm a Christian, and I'm a PK to add on that. So yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Also, you can sing big time.
I don't know about big, but hey,
Yeah, you know, people who sing at the church are usually the people who got the most powerful voices, to sing at church. Yo, you really need that, strong, powerful voice, And if you say you sing at
like
church, I believe you got that voice, definitely.
I'm flattered. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
All right. How's been your experience with social media as well? I'm talking Instagram and Twitter.
How's it?
How's been your experience so far
Off.
with the platforms, social media, specifically Twitter and Instagram?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Um, social media is having social media platforms is fun. It's very nice because you get to connect to very great people, but it's hard. It's hard because firstly it requires a lot of data, and data is
Yeah,
expensive. And
that's
data is
fair.
expensive. Yeah. And then secondly, growing a following is a big challenge. Growing a following is a big challenge because before people follow you, you need to give them something to follow. You need to
Yeah,
have great content because people are not just gonna follow you because you are posting pictures of you eating or doing whatever. So you
yeah,
need to have great content for people to follow you. And another thing, which is a very big challenge, is engagement. Because you'd find
hey,
out that
exactly.
as Kanye, so you'd find out that you have 10,000 followers, right?
Yeah,
And you're only getting 150 likes with 3 comments.
hey, that's stressful. Yes, stressful, big time.
Doesn't make sense because I mean, I have 10K followers and I have 3 comments and 150 likes. What happened to the rest of the other people? Because 10,000 is a big number. So
Yeah,
getting people to your content on Instagram and Twitter as well is very hard. It's very hard. But besides those challenges, I'm enjoying the social media platforms, Instagram and Twitter. I'm enjoying.
yeah,
Hi, Abdullah. I'm enjoying being here. It's fun and meeting very great people. Meeting very
yeah.
great people.
Yeah, in terms of engagement, I really feel like something that's actually killing our engagement is those things, the follow trains. I know it gets you the numbers, but it doesn't really get you the real audience. It's just numbers. It's just a follow for follow type of situation. And
Exactly.
hey, sometimes I really don't feel like it's beneficial. It's good, yeah, I got 10K followers, but in terms of numbers, hey, it's just for photo's
Right.
sake.
Yeah, ayincedi because okay, sharp mandithi ndimoyiqalayo ne, and then I'm like,
Yeah,
follow everyone who comments with what. Then wonke umntu ke afollow we share, we follow each other, you
yeah,
follow back. And then xa sigqiba apho, what? Okay, I have
exactly,
a
exactly,
follow, and what? Then
exactly,
engaging. They're not engaging. So I don't know if it's really helping or it's just helping to increase the number. You know, it's good. It's good. Olwethu
Yeah,
Magopheni,
with the numbers.
yeah, 17,000 followers. But out of that 17K, only 3 are engaging. You know, so I feel like with follow trains, people just follow you, ngalamzuzu, and then after that they forget about you.
That's it. That's it. I can see Busy Boy on the comments saying engagement is worse. And I can
It
see
is
I am Kayla saying here for
here
my
for you.
girl.
Yeah, I am Kela engages. She engages a lot. She engages.
Yeah. Thanks for
So getting
tuning in, you know.
Thank you. So getting engagement is the challenge. It is the challenge. Some people say for you to get um, your audience to engage with you, you need to post constantly. You know, you
All
need
right.
to post maybe twice a day, every day, or once a day, every day, because it gets
Yeah.
people to is that, oh, there's an Olwethu out there, then they start engaging. So I've got that tip. So maybe people can like try that, try
All right.
posting so that people can like get to know you. Which okay, there's an Olwethu on Twitter and Instagram. Then from there they start engaging. You know.
All right.
So yeah.
I can see Doggy on the comments asking, are you considering branching into presenting also?
Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh
How
yes.
soon? How soon?
I've been attending auditions, eh? I've been
Yeah.
attending yeah, I've been attending.
Any luck so far?
No, not yet.
Keep
Not yet.
on, keep on, keep on. See, Yamgela coming on with another question. I have a question about IG followers and monetization too. Like when does IG start paying? This one is. I answer it first. I'll answer it last.
Oh wow, because ladies first.
Yeah,
With IG, like I said, the only way that I've been making money out of IG is through influencing, you know. But also with that, you need to have quality content, and
yeah,
so yes, also grow your following. You know, you need to invest in your Instagram page, have quality content, post consistently, and have the following as well. And then also sign up on the beauty bulletin, brand advisor, humans. Which one did I forget? Ruby Box. That's where you get
yeah,
all the paying IG and Twitter as well, and Twitter campaigns. So
yeah.
I just when you start investing in your page and having followers and engaging with your followers as well, it's very much
All right.
important.
Did you move your phone or something? Because your sound is now low.
Serious.
Yeah. Oh, I'm not sure. Maybe it's only on my end.
Even now.
Nah, like I can hear you, right? But it's lower than before.
Okay, even now.
Yeah, it's probably on my end. To everybody watching, please let me know if you can still hear her properly, or maybe it's just my end.
Because I can hear you.
All right, all right. Let's just wait for the comments from the viewers. What were you still saying?
Okay, I was saying IG starts paying the moment you start investing in your page by posting
Yeah,
quality content, growing your following, and also engaging with your followers. You know, if people comment on your picture that you look nice, you need to comment and say thank you. You need to reply to the comment and also comment on their things as well. You know, don't expect
yeah,
people to engage when you don't engage with them, because we are all here to grow and we all want to make money. You know, everyone wants to make money, so you need to engage with your audience and engage back with them.
yeah.
So yep. So
All
I
right.
got that.
From my end about the monetization thing, at the moment you cannot really monetize directly on the platform. but I saw it somewhere that IG is planning to sort of like monetize IGTV videos. So you might consider creating content for your IGTV and all that. But outside of IGTV, you can still earn guap from campaigns. Yeah, you know, IG really brings a lot of money for through campaigns, not directly as a platform as of yet. So yeah, that's it. You know, through campaigns, just keep your IT clean. Make sure your engagement is amazing. You know, that's it. I think that's it. Create high quality content like Olwethu has been saying, and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, you should start
And
earning at some point.
engage as well.
Yeah,
Engage.
yeah, yeah. I can see as Kanye was saying, I think it will help at some point having followers. I think he was talking about follow for follow.
Oh yes, oh yes. And I think also here
Uh,
when you're saying at some point you will grow in your field of work and you might have so much content there. Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's true. That's true.
oh, it seems like the issue is on my end because they're
Hmm?
saying they can hear you very well. So I think the issue is on my end. I think the issue is on my end. Um,
Mhm.
I see
Oh,
it's been almost an hour. You know, Instagram after an hour sort of like has an IG live, you know?
before they cut us, I've got one thing which I forgot to say. In terms of growing your following,
Yeah.
you can do giveaways. You know, they
All
work.
right.
Give a like offer something in return for people following you. For instance, you can offer in order to grow your let's say your YouTube channel, for instance, because it's hard to grow. I don't have a YouTube channel yet, you know,
Why
but obviously,
not? Queen, there's some cash even there.
yes, but I'm still deciding on what content I'm gonna post, you
All
know.
right, all right, all right.
I'm still deciding, but I've been subscribing to people's channels and I see it's very hard to grow a following there, you know.
Yeah, it's
So
really hard.
yes, in order to grow subscribers for your YouTube channel, you can try the giveaway thing, like it's a competition giveaway. You can maybe offer people data in
Yeah,
exchange following for subscribing or following you on Instagram, or you can collaborate with someone
exactly.
else and get maybe buy um what do people need the most? Maybe cosmetics, right? So you can
All
collaborate
right.
with someone and you guys come together, cough up cash, buy a cosmetics package and offer it to a person. Maybe you run a competition and ask people to follow and tag their friends, and the friends must also like and share the post. And then at the end of the
Yeah,
competition, pick one winner and then you give her or him that. So in exchange of you giving away cosmetics or data, you gain followers. And also that competition is going to attract an audience and traffic to your page. So people are going to start noticing that, oh, there's an Olwethu and
yeah.
so you can buy that to grow your following.
All right, that's amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It was great talking to you. I really appreciate it. I wish Instagram could give us like 2 hours nyana to continue, but yeah, they're really strict. Last time they cut us through, like it was midway an interview. They sort of like just cut us out. I wasn't checking time. Last time I was just talking to my guest. We were enjoying. It was just vibes. Next thing I see 30,
They're
20,
like,
10, 9. So today I was like, nah, let me make sure that doesn't happen again. Let me keep an eye on time.
so how long do we have? How many seconds left?
Um, my laptop is off right now, but it was like 5 minutes.
Okay, okay, not bad.
Yeah. All right. Before we just close it off, can you just give us general advice in Xhosa? Because at the beginning I said I'm gonna ask for some Xhosa. So right now is that time. Can I get something in Xhosa?
Okay, advise in course.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, what I'd like to say is that impilo ayo competition. sonke sizawufika usinqwenela ufika khona, you know,
Yes.
asizofika nge-1 kakade, I mean asingumntu mnye, kodwa sizawufika e-competition and ningapheli umoya guys, you know, ningapheli umoya, just continue pushing. I love English so much. Just continue pushing. Sonke sizawufika ekugqibeleni uThixo usithanda sonke, you know, and sonke singabantwana bakhe and usinqwenelela izinto ezinhle, you know, because it even says in the Bible that I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you and not to harm you. So masiqhubekeni guys, masiqhubekeni sithandaze, singayeki uthandaza, singadinwa, and just continue pushing and be consistent in whatever field you are good in. If you're good in influencing, be consistent. Brands will start noticing you. If you, like me, starting towards like being a psychologist, continue studying, because it's a lot of it takes a lot of years to finally make it. But do not give up. And if you are into, because there's different fields, just continue being consistent. And if you are into presenting, continue sending those videos, continue attending auditions, and you just never know, because only God knows when that door is finally gonna open for you. So Aluta, continue, guys.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. You know, that's really amazing. It was an honor talking to you. You know, I'm really happy to have had this chat with you, and I'm happy to see a lot of people in the comments saying, you know, it was really informative. They enjoyed it. So yeah, thank you so much. You know, Olwethu, I'm wishing you all the best, and I'm gonna be out here supporting you all the way up. You know, so anything, if you need any support, just don't hesitate to text me anytime. I'm gonna be out here ready to support you in everything you do. God bless you.
Thank you so much. So can I just like say 2 things before I go?
Yep.
Okay, guys, after the live, ningalibali, please go check out my page and support
Definitely.
the initiative that I'm doing with Phoenix. And also please check my story, because I also have a radio interview after this one that I'm preparing for. So, please guys, you know, please tune in. It's gonna be informative as well. I see someone saying something about, Scaniso saying, you know, in my chess career I find it so hard to create content. Yeah, content creation is hard, but maybe you can try by starting to post videos and teaching people how to play chess. You know, I think that that posting and creating a video as well is considered content creation. And also just be patient and consistent at it. You'll get there.
Yeah, patience, big time.
Yeah, you'll get there. And then who's this? Miss Moore. Hit me up when you need to speak on gender-based violence.
Yeah, that's a touchy topic, you know, really something we can touch on.
Very, very, very.
Yeah. I can see Tuki the Messiah saying support fam. Yeah, I think that's for you. Issue.
I think it's for me.
Yeah, let's see any other comments. Hey, on my end it's a lot, you know. So I can keep track of comments. It's really hard to keep track.
Boring.
Yeah, we're done on comments, right?
Yeah, Oscar so Uti, it will help at some point having followers.
Yeah.
Having followers is a must, guys. You must have, because even with acting and adverts, you know, when you go audition, they sometimes ask how many followers you have. So
yeah, that's true, especially commercials.
Yeah, so having followers is a must, guys. So follow people and follow back when people follow you, and also
have you done commercials so far?
I did F&B last year, but
Yeah.
I was part of the supporting cast, so I was in the background, but the experience was great. So yeah, I have done commercials.
It
Only
was
got to
for which one? The
it
FNP
was
one.
the F&B
What?
yeah, it was the money. It was for
Oh,
F&B, the money.
yeah. You showed
Yeah,
it as you showed
yeah.
it at a school.
No, not at school. I got the gig
Oh,
via my
oh,
agent.
oh.
I got the gig via my agent. So we shot it last year, June.
Oh
They were
yeah, I also
advertising.
did an FFP advert last year, so I thought it's the same advert.
No, 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 no. They were advertising the new swiping machine and the new ways that they've made it convenient for their clients to shop. So yeah,
All right, all right. I can
yeah.
see a rejected son saying I only got to see this now. What's the subject matter? All right, clearly you're tuning in for the first time. Welcome to the sit down interview with Ice Easy, where I get to sit down and talk to amazing creatives, amazing personalities, and amazing people like I am right now. And I just bring out our creatives to get to know them better, what they do, and yeah, just find out everything else, as well as share information with you guys who always tune in. And today my guest is Olwethu. She's an actress, influencer, model, business owner, and more, a lot more. She can tell you whatever she does if I forgot anything else, but mainly the things that are on top of my head right now are those that I've mentioned so far. So yeah, fam, we do this every Monday, Wednesday, and every Friday. But yesterday she was sick, so that's why we're doing it on a Thursday. Today we had to postpone the interview from yesterday to today. So make sure to tune in again tomorrow at 2 p.m.
Yes. And also, why do you call yourself rejected son? I'm very curious. I want to know
Yeah, it's something I would like to find out as well.
why rejected son? Why
I can
rejected?
see Tukit the Messiah asking business owner, can you please break it down for him?
Okay, took it the Messiah. I own a boutique. The name of the boutique is Kumasande Boutique. You can follow my page on Instagram. It's Kumasande_boutique. Basically, I sell clothing to teenagers, young adults, the working class, and I've recently started selling clothing for men. So I sell casual clothing, formal clothing, and traditional wear. Whatever the customer wants, I make sure I get it for them. So yeah, that's just about the business. Yes, rejected son. Thank you. I'm still waiting. Why are you calling yourself rejected son? I'm curious.
uh, even
Uh,
Tukit the Messiah, I think is a rapper. Tukit the Messiah.
yeah, yo, it makes sense. That would make sense.
Oh, I can see my niece on the comments.
Mm.
Sandy Daisy showing love. Shout out to you one time.
What's that? Who's your niece, Sandy?
Yeah, Sandy Daisy.
Thank you, niece.
She's out here showing you love.
Mm. Guys, please show love on my campaign post with Phoenix. It's on my wall. It's on my personal Instagram page. I'm working with
Yeah.
Phoenix to funds for students so that they can support them with laptops, data, and food vouchers. So please show some love there. Even if you're not donating, just share your struggles when it comes to adjusting
Definitely.
to online learning and how you've had to adjust to the issues of having to buy data because data is expensive. So please jump in on that.
Someone is hijacking you after this.
Okay, Ella. Okay, Mtase. Okay, I'm available.
Um, Rejected Son is saying, okay, it's just a name. I like the fame, no proper reason in it. So, we got 20 seconds to go. One more time. Can you quickly just sum everything up? One more time, 18 seconds.
Okay, first things first, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for supporting. Okay, thank you for supporting my campaign, because I know you guys are gonna support